Welcome to Whole and Healthy Cooking with Chef Val. Hi, I'm Chef Valerie Wilson. I have an exciting event I want to tell you about. On Saturday, June 18th, I will be cooking with Chef Michelle Williams in our Healthy Seasonal Cooking Summer webinar. We will be teaching recipes that are going to feed and nurture your brain, your heart, and your small intestines. All these recipes are perfect for the summertime according to the 5 transformations of energy. The recipes will feature the whole grains for summertime: corn, quinoa, and amaranth. To sign up for the webinar, you can go to macroval.com. This is a 4.5-hour webinar where Chef Michelle and I will teach you innovative, delicious recipes. Those recipes will be, Chef Michelle is going to do a cooling red lentil soup, a leafy green salad featuring fresh strawberries and a poppy seed vinaigrette, and a traditional corn drink. I will be teaching a salad with quinoa and amaranth and cucumbers with a sweet and pungent mustard dressing. I will also be teaching some finger food cooling cucumber snacks and the dessert, a frozen blueberry nice cream dessert. This is my favorite new dessert recipe, featuring my favorite berry, blueberries, and part of the recipe involves whipped aquafaba. So during the webinar, you're going to get a wealth of information about all these different recipes and how to create them. And we're also going to share the nutritional value of the food. That's Saturday, June 18th, from 10 a.m. till 2:30 p.m. That's Eastern Standard Time. Now, during the webinar, you're also going to get special presentations. Chef Michelle is going to do a special presentation on 9-star key astrology, and I'm going to do a special presentation on the healing sounds for your heart. You will also get a recording of the webinar, so you'll be able to go back and watch it again. I'm really looking forward to teaching with Chef Michelle again and sharing all these delicious recipes with you on June 18th for our Healthy Seasonal Cooking Summer webinar. Go to macroval.com and you can sign up now. If you bring a friend with you, you get an additional discount. Remember, your journey to eating healthy begins with one small step. Let's take that small step together.